Right now, I'm using Excel 2000 to demonstrate how to fill a series of numbers. First, I'm going to click on cell D2 to select it, and then I'm going to type in the value of 1 and press Enter. Now, going back to that cell and using the autofill handle, if I drag down several cells, it will just repeat the number 1. I'm going to undo, and this time when I'm filling, I'm going to hold the Control key down. Notice that in Excel 2000 there is no Fill Options button that appears in the later versions. An alternative way to create a sequential series, is to start with a pattern. So I'll click on cell D2, I'll type 1 there, I'm going to press Enter and type a 2 into the next cell. Now if I select both cells, I can use the fill handle to extend the series down to 8 or 9, whenever I want. In Excel XP 2002 and later versions, you can use the Autofill Options button to complete a series. You begin the process in the same way by selecting a cell, typing in a start number for the series. I'm going to press Control Enter to stay in the same cell. I'm then going to use the fill handle to fill the series, and I'm going to stop at about row 10. And then I'm going to click the Autofill Options button. That's this little tag that appears. If I click there, I can then choose to fill series. Notice now the series runs from 1 to 9. The Autofill Options button is only available beginning with Excel XP 2002. You also have to be careful to use the Autofill Options button before you do anything else in Excel. So immediately after autofilling, if you want to change the options, you click on the Autofill Options button. As far as autofill is concerned, a series is any data where the values change from cell to cell. I'm going to create a series of 5 names. Now if I select those 5 names, point to the autofill handle and drag downwards, I will have completed several repetitions of the series of names. Now, if I would like to assign sequential numbers to a list, as long as there are no blanks in the column of data, and I'm going to use the names I just created as my data column, for example, if I click to the top cell, either to the left or right of the continuous list of data, I've just clicked beside John's name there, I would like to call the first row, or number the first row for John with a 5, just to demonstrate a slightly different starting number. And I would like it to continue with sequential numbers afterwards. So I'm going to press Enter and type 6 for Mary. And then I'm going to select both the 5 and the 6. This way I'm establishing a pattern. If I point to the autofill handle, all I need to do is double click, and Excel will repeat the numbering pattern down to the cell beside the last row with data in it.